In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to count how many words are in your Google Doc. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Blasts, where we give you the best tips to improve your classroom learning. This week's tip is to use the word count feature inside of your Google Docs. This is perfect for when writing short stories, essay writing, and much more. To do this, all you want to do is go up to Tools on the top navigation bar and go down to Word Count. And then it will tell you how many pages you've written, the amount of words on your document in total, as well as the amount of characters there are. But what if you want to have this as a constant reminder on your document? To do this, all you want to do is click Display Word Count whilst typing at the bottom, and click OK at the bottom right. So now, as you can see, the amount of words on my document are now shown. So those are the basics on how to use the word count feature inside of Google Docs. If you're interested in a playlist covering everything from the basics all the way through to advanced tutorials on everything you need to know inside of Google Docs, click or tap the playlist shown on screen now, or for another video by Google Tutorials, click or tap the video shown on screen now, and I'll see you soon.